Today, we're going to be talking about the Mediterranean diet pyramid, which is basically a roadmap to eating like the people of Crete and southern Italy in the 1960s. Back then, they were living longer, healthier lives with way fewer chronic diseases than we see today. So what were they eating? The base of the pyramid is all about plant-based foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. Think colorful salads, roasted veggies, and lentil soup. You should be filling your plate with these at every meal. Next up are healthy fats, like olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Drizzle some olive oil on your salad, snack on a handful of almonds, or sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on your yogurt. These fats keep you feeling full and satisfied, and they're good for your heart too. Fish and seafood come next. Aim for 2 servings a week. Salmon, tuna, sardines, and mussels are all great choices. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your brain and heart. Poultry and eggs can be enjoyed in moderation about once a week. Chicken, turkey, and eggs are all good sources of protein. Red meat and sweets are at the top of the pyramid, meaning you should only have them occasionally. Think of them as treats, not staples. So there you have it, the Mediterranean diet pyramid. It's all about eating mostly plants, healthy fats, and moderate amounts of fish, poultry, and eggs. It's a simple, delicious, and healthy way to eat that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Give it a try and see how you feel. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy living tips.